Tired of eating the same old thing? Let me show you how easy it is to turn a pound of ground chicken into a tasty treat that will make your taste buds think you just landed in Bangkok. Best of all, you won't have to invest in a lot of fancy Asian ingredients or turn your kitchen into a hazmat zone to pull this dish off. Here's all you'll need to get started. 12 ounces of spaghetti, 1 pound of ground chicken, 1 diced red pepper, 2 chopped green onions, 1 cup of shredded carrot, 1/2 cup chopped peanuts, 1 minced garlic clove, 1/4 cup creamy peanut butter, 1/4 cup soy sauce, 1 teaspoon hot sauce, 1/4 cup lime juice, 1/2 cup of coconut milk, 1 pot of boiling water, a wok or large skillet, and last but not least, a blender. To start off with, you'll need to put your spaghetti into a pot of boiling water for about 10 minutes. Next, we'll head on over to the blender, into which we'll pour the coconut milk and lime juice. Add the soy sauce, the hot sauce, and the peanut butter. Put the lid on and blend this for 10 seconds or so. Next, we'll fire up the wok or skillet and add a tablespoon of olive oil. Sauté the diced peppers for 1 minute. Add the minced garlic, which you'll cook for no more than 30 seconds. Then it's time to add the ground chicken to the pan. Brown this for a minute or so while stirring the mixture until the meat browns. Add half of the shredded carrots and half the chopped peanuts. Stir the mixture for a minute. Then it's time to pour on the sauce. Cover the pan and reduce the heat to low. Let the mixture simmer for 5 minutes. Now it's time to drain the spaghetti. Put about 4 ounces of pasta on the plate and top with the meat mixture. Topped with chopped peanuts, shredded carrot, and green onions. This dish serves 4 and not only gives you a taste of Thailand, it'll make your friends think you just took a Thai cooking class. Make sure you check out the Man Cave Munchies cooking channel on YouTube and stay tuned for more manly meal ideas.